He had a friend, a spider small, who helped him climb the metal wall. Together they would watch the clothes, as water swished and flowed and rose. They were the keepers of the spin, the magical world that they lived in. Trolls like Bubble were not born in a wood, but in places misunderstood. They appeared where lost things came to rest, putting their magic to the test. A bit of lint, a forgotten thread, a button that had lost its head. These things would gather in a pile, and after just a little while, a tiny troll would start to form, safe inside from any storm. Their job was simple, it was clear, to spread a little bit of cheer. They guarded treasures, small and grand, in their whirly, watery land. The washing machine was Bubble's world, as clothes and colors twirled and swirled. He knew each corner, every pipe and every sock of every stripe. He'd hide behind the rubber seal and watch the giant water wheel. The spinning drum was his playground, where he whirled round and round and round.